Hi, I'm Paul Creasy from Lemken UK, and we're here today at the NORMAC demonstration event with Ernest Doe, our local dealer. We're stood here today with one of the machines we've got working at the event, our Rubin 10 disc harrow. The Rubin 10 was launched in 2019, replaced our Rubin 9 disc harrow, one of Europe's top-selling disc harrows. Key features of this machine, and something that's very popular that we found with UK farmers, is the disc diameter. So we have a 645mm disc diameter, great for primary cultivations, for shallow cultivations and moving all the soil, certainly where we have grassweed problems where we're trying to get weed seeds to chit. 2 rows of discs, we've got impact harrows in between to make sure that clods and soil and residue is knocked down before the second set of discs. And then at the rear we have a choice of rollers with hydraulic depth control. The machine is available from 3 to 7 metres and available from your Lemken dealer.